Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Hexagon, hexagon. Cross, cross. Heart, heart. Star, star. Arrow, arrow. Octagon, octagon. Let's learn some colors. Blue color, blue color. Sky blue color, sky blue color. Green color, green color. Pink color, pink color. Yellow color, yellow color. Orange color, orange color. Sky blue color. Hexagon, pink color. Cross, green color. Heart, yellow color. Star, orange color. Arrow, blue color. Octagon, sky blue color. Hexagon, pink color. Cross, green color. Heart, yellow color. Star, orange color. Arrow, blue color. Octagon. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.